Alright, welcome back guys. So this is how the food forest is progressing. So I have the main plants here, but I'm also starting to incorporate some pretty plants that are functional and some color to give it interest. And so it's not just one-dimensional. So what I've started with is I have my main plants, like this banana, there's a fig there, another banana. Over here I've got my tree. So this is a jackfruit. And so you start with the big ones. So start with the main ones that are going to be huge. And then I've also incorporated this pigeon pea. So this is a nitrogen fixer. So it's grabbing the nitrogen from the air and then it's putting it down into the soil. Then it becomes available to other plants. So like this hibiscus right here, or these melons. So I've got a whole bunch of annuals. And so the annuals also help because they are aerating the soil, they're putting organic matter in there, they're incorporating habitats for other insects, so insect activity, and they all work together. So this started out just like this. It was nasty grass, a whole bunch of weeds, it looked ugly. So I am slowly incorporating useful plants here that are also edible, and some of them look really pretty. So I've got my main plants that are going to be here for a while, then I've got a whole bunch of edibles and herbs. Put some mint in here. You know, these are the ground covers and the annuals, so if I had some beans, or over here is a loofah if it makes it. So they're going to spread and shade the ground and do great. So the mulch of the leaves, they're also going to add organic matter to the ground. The cardboard right here, it kills the grass. Then I put leaves on it, and then that acts as a mulch and it further kills the grass. And over here, I've got another tree. This one's going to stay small. Several annuals like a pepper, some spices, some flowers, some beans, other nitrogen fixture. And this is all going to incorporate this into a beautiful side food forest. Over here, I've got my bins. Those are going to collect water. Here's a pretty milkweed for insect pollination and insect activity. Another tree right here. So this is how I'm incorporating this into my food forest. All right, I hope everything's going great with you guys.